So apparently dropping something is proof of gravity. I just don't agree with that at all. I think gravity is the most pathetic excuse for, basically an excuse for everything that science can't explain, because the globe model or heliocentric model, which it's really referred to, makes absolutely no sense and is sort of embarrassing to believe in. All right, the heliocentric model, which everything revolves around the sun. So the sun doesn't move despite every single thing that we can see, and despite what it feels like, what it looks like, all of it. No, the sun is not moving. It's the earth. We're spinning and we're moving around the sun, and we're also traveling 500,000 miles an hour through the galaxy. But we can see the North Star always in the exact same spot every single night. And please, I'm so sick of arguing with people about this. I've had a telescope pointed at it for 5 months now, and it hasn't moved. 24 hours a day, day, night, doesn't matter. So when I'm looking at the North Star, even during the day, and China at night is looking at the North Star, how does that make sense on a ball? It doesn't. So please learn something. Okay, gravity is make-believe. Something falling, number one, okay, the rate at which objects fall, okay, which is 9.8 meters per second squared, that's an average number. It's not, everything doesn't fall at these rates. This is another experiment you can do yourself. I mean, come on, people. Not everything falls at the same rate. It's about density, buoyancy, mass, weight. We live in an electromagnetic force field. So everything that we have been taught, all this science nonsense and NASA nonsense, that's exactly what it is. It's nonsense. And dropping something is absolutely not proof of gravity. What it's proof of is that that object is denser and weighs more than the air around it. So come on, knock it off. Even Newton's thermometer that he invented works on density and buoyancy, not by gravity. So I just find it fascinating and hilarious. Gravity doesn't make any sense. So it's the strongest but weakest force. It's holding down billions and billions and billions of pounds of water, but little birds and insects can fly away with one flap of the wings and they're gone. But it's holding down billions of pounds of water. If it was actually holding down billions of pounds of water with that much force, we would not be able to move. We would be glued to this earth. Get real. Start to use your head. Use common sense. I know that we have been trained to trust the science, but when the science is government funded, I'm sorry, I don't trust the science anymore. I don't trust the government. I don't trust the government that lies to us. I don't trust the government that steals our money. I don't trust a corrupt government. So of course I don't trust the education. What are you, out of your mind? You can't have it your way. You can't, this isn't fucking Burger King, okay? You can't just pick and choose what truths you want to believe in, and oh yeah, no, NASA lied about a moon landing, but no, what they're doing now is definitely true. They're definitely they made it to Mars, 103 million miles away. They have live feed footage from Mars, but my phone drops out in Springfield, Massachusetts on a Friday. I mean, come on, dude. My Netflix takes, 15 minutes to buffer, but we're getting perfect feeds from 103 million miles away. Are you out of your mind? Are you hearing that? At least, please, do yourself a favor. Let that thought bounce around in your head a little bit, and please, come to reality. Come on, man. Come back to reality. It's embarrassing. I'm sorry, but modern science is a joke. Gravity is a joke. Space is a joke. Learn what the words mean, please. Learn what circumnavigation is. Understand they can't do it from south to north or north to south. It's only been done east to west or west to east, because that means it's going around in a circle, and a circle is flat. Sorry to break your heart. I know a lot of people were born and raised on Star Trek and Star Wars, and they've attached their belief systems to a false reality, but it shouldn't destroy your identity. It really shouldn't. Wake up. This is my opinion. I love you all very, very much.